Yeah. From the Suri Tribe. You this? There we go, there we go, there we go. We got it. We got it. Boom. Good morning, everybody. From the upper Omo Valley. Home of the Suri Tribe. It is currently about 7:30 a.m. local time. So this, I believe, is the Omo River, a part of it, I believe. And this is what the local Suri tribe uses to shower. They drink the water. This is their main water source that they use for everything. This is how they've sustained themselves for hundreds of years, thousands of years even. And this is what they live off of. The water, the livestock, the goats, the cows, living off the land up here in the very remote, isolated upper Omo Valley. If you do decide that you want to visit the upper Omo Valley, to visit the Suri tribe, which lives here, the road is a little bit difficult. It's a little bit difficult to get here because there's a road that connects the lower Omo Valley to the upper Omo Valley. And from my understanding, it's a very, very dangerous road. It's broken in some parts. And when it's raining, in the rainy season, which it is right now, it's really dangerous. So to go from the lower Omo Valley to the upper, you have to go all the way around, like a 4-day drive. So we did from Surmi to Sodo one day, then Sodo to Jimma one day, Jimma to Mizan Tafari one day, then driving all day from Mizan Tafari to here at this campsite right here. That took about one day. And this is really, really remote. Very remote. Yesterday, we're hanging out with the tribe members, had some good interactions. We were sitting around the campfire. And the kids were all around. They had, some of them had flowers that they were putting on their heads and stuff like that. And from my understanding, the Suri tribe, they're very artistic. They have flowers, they have paint, things like that. But it's raining today, which, you know, I don't know if they're going to get all dressed up and be artistic and things like that today because it's kind of a dreary day. But they might. They might. It's approaching 8 o'clock in the morning here. Slight drizzle. A slight drizzle. Everything's so green. So let's go over here and do a quick tour of where we had the campfire yesterday in the kitchen. So this is where we had the campfire yesterday. Okay, so there was someone sleeping. Didn't want to wake them up. Good morning. Hey, good morning to you. Good day. It's a rainy day today. Relax, rain. Yeah. A little bit of rain. Can I ask, what's your name? Your name? Me? Ryan. Eti? Eti. Ryan? Eti. Eti. Here. shirt. Ah, this is one of my only shirts, and I gave mine away. Ah, I'm so sorry. It's my only one. I'm gonna look for later though. Maybe later. Maybe later. Do you drink coffee? Buna? Buna? You drink buna? Buna? Buna. It's good. See, look, we're here. Yeah. We say, hey, yeah, good morning from the Suri Tribe. Yeah. Hello. How do you say hi? Ashale. 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 In English, we say Ashale. Hi. So, hi. 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 Ashale. Hi. Hey. Yeah, so, well, I'm walking around like, yeah, the rain, yeah, I'm gonna, maybe I go over there, I don't know, I go to the river. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ashale. You like this? Here. We do. Boom. See, when I do this, we go. Boom. Here. You this? There we go. There we go. There we go. We got it. We got it. Boom. Ooh. Oh man. So we're here communicating with the locals at the campground, and I believe that she asked me for my shirt, which I would give her one of my shirts, but I packed very light for this trip, and I already gave away 2 of my shirts to the Hammer Tribe. So, unfortunately, I don't think I can give away any more shirts today. But we did a little bit of like a little bit of communication with like the hands, and just hi. Ashale is like their word for hi. I tried to tell her that in English it's hi. And then we just kind of like, I told her, I think I said the word for coffee, buna. I think she understood. But that's the coffee in Amharic. I think their language might be different. You know, just a little bit of interactions. And I believe that somebody was sleeping. There was somebody sleeping in the hut. There's someone sleeping in the hut. And that's why I went in and I tried. Ashale! And I tried not to disturb them, because I believe that somebody was sleeping. There's one of the men over there that was at the campsite last night. He's local. He was just like a scout protecting us. And the other guy over here, he's a local guide who, he's from this tribe. He speaks their language, but he lives outside of the city. So he has jeans, hoodie, and he speaks English, and he studied in Addis Ababa, the capital of Ethiopia, for 3 years English, as I asked him. So, yeah, everybody that came out here, it's me, the driver, the guide, the local guide from this tribe, and then the cook. So five people total to come out here. So it's a pretty big trip. You need a lot of people for all of the duties. It's a pretty serious one. And the Suri tribe, this is very remote. There's nothing around at all. The closest town is like Dima, and that's way up there. And even that's like off the beat town. That's really like barely even a town. So this is very, very, very remote, very hard to get to. And I was talking with the scout, and he said that maybe in the future they might build like a real road from upper Omo Valley, which is where we're at, to the lower Omo Valley, connecting the two. Which, like I said, there's a makeshift road there right now, but I think it's really dangerous and broken. But if they build a normal road, could make travel better, but you have to watch that you're not destroying the habitat and you know, like just disturbing any of the natural of nature that's there. Because, you know, some of the other roads, they told me that before there used to be giraffes and a bunch of animals, but when they build that man-made road, all the animals go away. So that's one thing that's, you know, damaging to the natural environment, is when you build these man-made roads, it could disturb the natural environment that's there. So I believe there's some villages around to where like they live. I think they cross this river sometimes. So I saw a few locals crossing the river yesterday. I think they were going to sleep in their tent or in their hut. And I think there's another small path this way. So I think that there's some other little small villages up that way, and there's some that way as well. So, and this little zone right here, this is like the designated campsite for, I guess, maybe tourists, people who come in, photographers, videographers, any type of like scheduled tourism from the outside world stays at their camp zone here. And this is their camp zone that they made. And you could tell that, you know, they get pretty excited. All the kids, everyone. It's like, okay, there's a new person here. It's like new energy, something different. And well, it's been a pretty good vlog. Pretty good early morning vlog. Just wake up right out of the tent and just record a little bit. Instagram RYANP3Z, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. So now I just turned the camera back on. I'm gonna walk over here and talk with the local scout from the tribe, but he speaks English. Good morning. Ashale. Yeah. How was your sleep? Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Ashale. You slept good?
Yes.
I just doing a little vlog, walking around. It's like it's a nice day, even though it's rainy. It's like nice,
Yeah.
peaceful. But the rain is like, last night it started and I
Yeah.
felt it like it was dripping on me.
Yeah, the storm.
What's your name? Name? E?
Yeah.
E. My name is Ryan.
When?
Ryan.
Where to?
Huerto.
Where to?
Huerto. Huerto.
Where to?
Berto. Bartu.
Where to?
Bartu. Bartu. Ryan.
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 Good.
Yeah, good. Bartu. Bartu. And now we go for Buna.
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 جانا استاكله. جانا كده. من ريتو. كاكا هذا. وانت شاوه كاكا.
I'm a Seganalo.
Inside there is a cow shit, man.
There's a cow.
Cow shit.
Cow shit.
Yeah. And then when they saw that, this guy crazy.
There's cow shit.
Yeah. How can I put here?
Oh, in the front?
Yeah.
That's cow shit.
Yeah, cow shit.
Oh, okay.
The one.
Uh-huh.
They said, oh, and they went to the Lucy.
You're like, man, this guy's doing something.
Misali.
And your name? What's your name? Parlo. Barlo. Barlo? My name is Ryan. Ryan. Barlo? Barlo? Barlo. Yeah. You? Halo? 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 Barlo? Ryan. Halo, Balo, Ryan. Yeah. You go to school? School? Study? Study Amharic? Or no? English? Math, Spanish?
All subjects.
All subjects. That's good. You speak English? He speaks good. Well, where is the school? Where? School? Town? Tulgit? Itush? Kibish. It's good to study. Study, learn. It's good for the brain. Study. You guys drink coffee? Buna?
Yeah.
Buna? It's good. I like buna.
Like?
Do you like chai?
Yeah. Me, I like tea.
What do you like better, chai or buna?
Chai.
Chai?
Yeah.
Chai? Chai? Chai. So you like chai? Chai is good. Yeah. Me, I like buna.
Yeah.
Buna.
You very strong. You.
Very strong?
Yeah.
I try. I go to the gym. Do you know gym? Gym, it's a place, and we just like I lay down like this, and I push, oops, and like this, and like this, and we sit down and we do squats. But here, there's no gym.
Yeah.
No.
No.
No. It's you could do gym, but just like that with your body, run, or